there was a whole lot of data analytics involved, because in strategy you have to have all the data driven solutions, and that's where the the hunger for working with more data started. And then 5 months ago I resigned from there and joined Veritas Analytica, and I explored a whole lot more about data than I ever did. I had conversations with some people where I was telling them that there's so much that we could do with data, rather than just analyzing it or automating it. There is so much more that can be done. So that took me as a surprise when I joined here. It was a bit overwhelming. However, I'm a fast learner. I got on top of it. Started working with multiple clients from day one, for that matter. Not even within 2 weeks, 3 weeks into the work, but I started working from day one. And ever since, it has been an exceptional experience, and I'm learning every single day. So Veritas Analytica, it's a foreign term which means real analysis. So you understand from the name as well that it's all about data. It's all about data. It's not just data analytics, but it's much more than that. So Veritas, we work with data automation, we work with AI driven solutions, we work with data pipeline creations, visualization, and even website creation, CRMs, customer resource management. So we do all of that. We have a team, a very diverse team with multiple expertise, and we all come together to make those final products for multiple clients. So we have multiple clients from the US, from the Middle East, and even Australia as well, with different needs, and we have specific personnel designated to look after those needs. Right, I'll talk about two projects that I'm currently working on. One is from the US client who happens to run a therapy clinic. It was a growing venture, and they had a lot of data they wanted to analyze and put that data into perspective. We worked for them. It was a one milestone project. We worked with them and created their dashboards and the data pipeline. So complete automation was done, and they loved it. They had that visualizations being read every single day, and since we are working with them still, we are in direct contact with them, and they were telling us that they had used that data to increase their clientele base by over 7%. Right, we expect it to go up, because as you get more comfortable with your information and with your target market, your competitors, you can understand more about how to get that clientele base. The other project that I'm currently working on is a client from Saudi Arabia, which is a team of individuals running a lot of YouTube channels, and they wanted to analyze their YouTube analytics, their competitors, their financials, and put that all the amount of data through pipeline into visualization. As we did that, they started analyzing what channels they want to focus on, or what is the niche market that they're trying to target, and also what are the competitors that are taking a bigger share of the pie. Because there's a pie, you could probably increase the pie, or you could get the bigger share in the pie. The strategy that the company was working on was to increase their size of the pie. So that was helped by the data analytics. And one thing that I also like to add about this was that it was a couple milestone projects, both of them, and it ended up with a monthly subscription with us. Those clients are still with us. We maintain their data. We work with their data even more as per their requests. We have our monthly subscription with them, rather than just a one-time project and the client was done now. So the clients are still with us. They're happy, which is our first priority in itself. We want the clients to be happy. At Veritas, I'd say the number one thing is the team itself. The team is very collaborative, very understanding. I don't remember a single day where we did not have to connect just to get the other person's opinion or their expertise into the project. So the team is extremely nice. and then I can work remotely. I work from office sometime. I work from the other end of the country the next day. So I have complete liberty to move around the country and even in the world, and work from anywhere. And that also gives me that liberty to, you know, sign up more clients from different parts of the country, because when you're traveling around, you sometimes run into some people looking for certain solutions, and you can pitch Veritas to them. So that is another thing I love very much about working at Veritas Analytics.